Last weekend when I was out here at the farm, I found some evidence that someone had been here messing with some stuff, which of course is very frustrating. We called the sheriff's deputies out, and one of the things they suggested was putting up security cameras. So I moved the one camera I had at the chicken coop, moved it up here to the camper, and today I'm installing 2 more cameras on the camper facing different directions so that I can see all over the farm. The kind of camera I got was recommended to me by my brother-in-law. It's this, I ordered them off Amazon. They're about $70 each. It's CP Van, and it's a solar Wi-Fi camera. I have really good Wi-Fi here at the camper, and the signal of course is really strong when the camera is actually mounted on the camper. Like I said, they are solar and they do a really good job of staying charged as long as you have them in strong Wi-Fi signal. So that's what I chose to protect my farm. I'll put an affiliate link down in the description. Before I find myself up there on the ladder, I need to pair this camera to our Wi-Fi and to my app. There we go, makes that beep. That's great. Come on. All right, in the app, I'm going to add a new device. All right, heard the sound. It's looking for the device. There we go. I heard a beeping sound. Connect via Wi-Fi. Whoops, it already knows my Wi-Fi information. All right, now, there we go. Found it. That's great.
Wi-Fi connected.
Excellent. Now, last time it had to do a firmware update, which of course we will let it do. In this box, we've got the solar panel, and of course the camera was in there, the instruction manual, and there are screws, which I'm going to use different screws. There's the black mount for the solar panel and the white mount for the camera, although they're standard mounts, and so you could switch it up and use whichever mount you want. All right, so here we go. All right, let's see what the location looks like, or what the aim looks like. Unless you think I'm being sneaky, I just want you to know that when you enter Nonsense Farm, we're not hiding anything. Smile, you're on candid camera. There's also one on the camper. There's one back at the barn. And by one, I mean a sign. And let me show you where I put the 4th one. Let me show you why I put it here. You see that bridge right there? My yard man has witnessed somebody finding shelter under there, and also there are some walking paths, and then also it looked like right here is where people were pulling apart some barbed wire to get onto the farm. So we put a sign there in the interest of full disclosure.